Welcome back to CarBuzz News. Chinese hypercar wars are heating up at the Nürburgring. Months after Xiaomi's SU7 Ultra beat the Rimac Nevera's EV lap record, BYD's luxury brand Yangwang is preparing a counterattack with the updated U9 Track Edition, also called the Nürburgring Edition in some reports. Regulatory filings reveal a staggering 3,019 horsepower coming from 4 motors, 744 horsepower at each wheel, giving it a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Visually, it adds a carbon fiber roof, massive fixed rear wing, aggressive diffuser, optional splitter, and wider front tires. An 80 kilowatt-hour LFP battery delivers 280 miles of CLTC range and charges from 30 to 80% in just 10 minutes. And the wildest X suspension can even make the car dance. If Yangwang takes it to the green hell, we'll certainly hear about it, especially if it chases after Xiaomi's crown. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching CarBuzz. If you like fast and simple daily automotive news, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to hear more about what's going on in the automotive world. And now, back to the news. Residents of Signal Hill, California say dozens of Tesla Model Ys have suddenly appeared on public streets, raising suspicion that the nearby Tesla Long Beach dealer is using the area to store excess inventory. Local, Bella, told SF Gate that she spotted 24 cars in one day, mostly pre-owned and each with temporary tags. Some wore 72-hour parking notices, but owners rotate them frequently to avoid violations. Tesla hasn't confirmed ownership. Similar incidents have occurred before, including a Michigan lot with unsold Teslas. The mystery comes amid slowing Tesla sales, with Toyota RAV4 overtaking the Model Y as the world's best seller. It's hard enough to find parking, so hopefully this gets cleared up soon. Toyota is building a plant of the future in its hometown of Toyota City, Japan, as part of a long-term push to modernize production. Slated to open in the early 2030s, the facility will feature gigacasting, reducing hundreds of parts to just 3 large structural modules, alongside self-propelling production technology to cut costs and speed assembly. An all-in-one team approach will bring development, production, and operations together on site for faster decision-making. Located in the Teochew area near Nagoya, the plant will help Toyota maintain its domestic capacity of 3 million vehicles while fostering a diverse workforce. The move reinforces Toyota's Keynesian philosophy of continuous improvement and hints that older plants in the region could eventually be retired. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching CarBuzz.